In order to make $10,000 a month, you need an income stream that generates you $322 per day. That's only 10 sales a day. Digital products are one of the best products that you can start selling online as a side hustle. This side hustle is beginner friendly, very easy to get started, little to no investment needed to start, no inventory like you have with physical products, and you have very high profit margins, usually 100%. I love creating digital products because you only have to create that product one time. Then you can sell that one product unlimited amounts of times over the next 5 to 10 years. You're not just creating a digital product, but you are creating a digital asset that can generate passive income for you. And if you're gonna use the free traffic sources that I'm gonna show you in this video, you're gonna have literally 100% profit margins, which is insane. Selling digital products is by far one of the most simple, quick, and most profitable ways to start earning passive income this year, especially by using the power of AI. In this video today, I'm gonna show you how you can start this as a complete beginner with just 3 simple steps. So let's get right into today's video. Step 1 is creating the digital product. This can be a PDF file, a guide, a video, or just anything that can be downloaded. It just has to have value or solve a problem in some way. You do not have to be an expert in something to sell a digital product on it. You just need to know more than your customer knows and identify a target audience. This could be about health, fitness, mindset hacks for moms, things that help you with your faith, cooking, or even just any life experience that you have. The possibilities are really endless. You just have to pick a target audience, decide on a niche that you want your digital product to be in, because you want to expand on this business over time as well. And don't worry, you don't even have to write up this own digital product yourself, because we now live in 2025, which means that you can literally have AI do everything for you. We just need to create the basis of your digital product business and just tell the AI what we want and communicate it in a certain way, which I'll show you how to do today. And it can create your own ebook or digital product straight away. For example, I've been using this platform called Trend Assist AI, and I can literally ask this AI to do anything I need for us, even brainstorming. We can ask it, hey, what are the top trending digital products for this year? And it will pull up a whole list for us. Then we can narrow down that list and ask it something more specific. For example, say you are a mom that has developed a lot of mindset hacks that you want to share with other moms that has helped you become a better mom. You can ask the AI, I'm a mom that teaches other mindset hacks for moms. Give me 10 trending digital product ideas for this niche. And you can see here, it gave us so many ideas that we can use. And then again, narrow it down again. I want to make an ebook because I do think ebooks are best for beginners. Give me 10 trending title ideas for an ebook about mindset hacks for busy moms. Now we can see that this digital product ebook ideas are narrowed down even more. I love this one right here, the Positive Mom Mindset Hacks one. So now let's ask it again. We're gonna go ahead, just copy and paste favorite one and say, the Positive Mom Mindset Hacks for Optimistic Living sounds good. Now can you write the ebook for me? And in seconds, it will write you an entire ebook on this topic. I also love using Trend Assist AI because it literally will give you answers specific for you and actually gets to know you because it's like your coworker, unlike ChatGPT that will literally give you the same response for everybody. I was using ChatGPT for a while until I realized that a lot of people's posts, a lot of people's products started to look a lot alike, so I had to seek out some different AI platforms. And you guys already know I don't gatekeep anything, so I got you guys. It's just crazy what AI can do. And for your own convenience, if you want to start using Trend Assist AI, I put that link down in my description box down below and in the top comment as well. So now that we have this written out ebook, now we're going to head over to Canva. You can go to Canva and just type in ebook to the search. It's going to bring up all of these templates that we can use. You're now just going to copy and paste everything over from Trend Assist AI to this ebook and just swap everything out to your own. Then, just to get a mock-up for the product photo listing, we are just going to screenshot or save this front cover of our ebook. We're going to go back to the Canva search. We're going to type in ebook mock-up for product or product ebook mock-up, and we can just upload this photo and put it into this mock-up here. And now we have our product photo that we can use for our online store. You can see this is very simple. I always say to keep your ebooks and digital products very simple and straightforward. Don't try to be too fancy. Usually simple is best because they bought it for the value. So you just want to make sure that you really just focus on that more than anything. And don't be afraid to add in your own personal touches to this. Just because AI wrote this, you can of course go in and add your own little personal touches because the AI is the coworker doing bulk of the work for you, like 90% of the work. You're gonna do the 10% work and actually make it even better so it's really, really personalized. And people feel like they're talking to you when they're reading it. Now, before you can start getting sales, you gotta get this digital product in your own online store. A lot of people will tell you to put these digital products on Etsy. I'm not a huge fan of Etsy because you're not really building your own business. You're kind of just putting it on Etsy. They take fees. And although you could do both, I'm just gonna focus on actually showing you how to build your own online store today. For the past 6 months, I've been testing and researching different digital product platforms, and today I'm gonna show you how to build an online store using Hostgator. Not only is it one of the best for digital products, but it's also the most affordable, and they have an AI store builder within their platform, so we're gonna use AI to build this online store as well. They also take 0% transaction fees from you, which is amazing, meaning that you get to keep 100% of your profits, which when you're making thousands of dollars matters a lot. Some other digital product hosting platforms take up to 10% more in fees, so just good to be aware of. So I did put the link for this platform down in my description box down below and in the top comment. Once you click through there, it's gonna bring you to this page. You can also follow along with this on your phone as well and do everything that I just showed you from your phone too. Out of all the online store hosting platforms out there, not only is this platform the most affordable, like I said, but it also provides you the most features for your digital products. I do recommend going with this 12-month plan since it's only $3.49 per month. Let's say that you're gonna go with the business plan. I recommend this plan because it includes the AI tools that the premium does not, but more importantly, it has these e-commerce tools that you are gonna need to sell your digital products. So just click that, select the length of plan. The longer you go, the bigger discount you'll have. I recommend going with at least the 12-month one, and you'll get a free domain and email too, which you usually have to pay extra for. So this is honestly a really great deal. So just go to the box on the side, select the length of the plan. The longer you go with, the bigger discount you'll have. And where it says you have a coupon code, I got a code for you guys. You can just type in this code, Baddie in Business, for even more money off the already discounted price. Once you're done, you're gonna come to this page where you can start building your website. This is very easy to use, and I'm gonna show you how to use this AI website builder. Just click here, Start Now. We're going to select Hostgator's Builder with AI. First, we're gonna just click Create a Free Domain Name. If you already have one, you can connect it here too. So let's go ahead and create ours now. I'm gonna just call this store mamamindset.store, and it shows it's available, so let's go ahead and just click Continue. I personally create all my online stores with .store because it just makes sense for me. And when the customers are clicking on your link, they know that it's a store. Having this also makes your store way more easier to find. The word store is simple, and people love using it when they are looking to buy stuff. So websites that have .store at the end of their name get 2 times the visibility on Google. Now you're gonna be presented with this form that says, tell us about your website. Here you're gonna fill in all the details about what you are using this for and what you're selling. So for the brand name, we're gonna put Mama Mindsets. For website type, let's select online store. For the description, I'm gonna write a website where I'm selling ebooks and guides on the topic of mindset for moms, with the goal to uplift, inspire, and educate other moms to uplift them. And we can just write in whatever you think of here. I also kind of wrote this off the top of my head, but you can use Trend Assist AI to write this for you also. The more descriptive you are with AI, the better. So just keep that in mind. So now we're gonna just wait for this AI to generate our website. You can see it's working now. And you can then use the drag and drop feature to customize the website to your liking, just like this. And in less than a few minutes, AI has built our website. So you can see AI, again, did bulk of the work for us. 90% of the work is done, but 10% you're gonna customize and do your work and make your vision come to life with this. It might seem a little overwhelming at first, but I promise this is fun once you get used to it. You can change the style of your website, you can change the different fonts, different colors, and it changes in real time so you can really see what you like. Down here, you're gonna see the option for pages, so you can add an About Me section. You can just do that here. Now we're gonna just add our digital products, so just go to Products, click one of the sample products here, and we can use one of these so we're not starting from scratch. So now we're gonna just upload the photo of our ebook. We're gonna just put the title of the description here. They also have an AI assist tool here that's gonna help you generate good descriptions for your product. and you can let the AI write the description for you. Then just set the price of the product, and when you're done, just click this here and the product has been saved. Don't forget to just go to your store settings to set up your payment options. I do take Stripe and PayPal, so you can do that all through here, and it's very easy to set up. Now we can see how our website looks with our digital product added. So when you're ready to launch this new website and start getting sales, just click on go live and your website is now ready to go. So it's super awesome that we did this in less than 10 minutes and our website looks great. Now, step 3, which is getting sales. Should you run ads? No, I do not recommend paid ads for beginners. I personally know people that have spent thousands of dollars in ads and didn't get a single sale and just wasted money. So I refuse for you to do that. I personally became a millionaire in 2 years because I mastered one single skill. And that skill was organic marketing, which means money that you make and drive through free social media traffic. Now, do not click away, guys. When you hear social media, you need to stop associating that with having millions of followers or being an influencer. I started all of my accounts from scratch. I also started completely faceless. I know other people that are starting from scratch in recent times and are blowing up overnight because of one single post. It's never been easier to actually get yourself out there. Social media now is not what it was 10 years ago. You create content and I promise you have an equal chance of going viral with the right strategies. That I also teach on my YouTube channel for you guys. Now you have your digital product created, you got it in an online store, you're gonna now master organic marketing using the free courses on my YouTube channel, and now you are ready to start digital product business journey. Now, obviously this is a big topic, and this whole video was really just a summary of how to get started with digital products. So just for you guys, I created 2 free courses. One is gonna show you this whole process very slowed down. So if you are someone that you really are a true beginner and maybe you're getting stuck at some of these parts, I created an in-depth digital product tutorial and free course for you guys on my YouTube channel. I also created an entire free marketing course video on my YouTube channel as well. I have actually a couple different videos that cover marketing because it's such a dense topic. So those videos are on my YouTube channel as well. My YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education in courses. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. The most important thing with all of this is nothing is overnight. It's never been easier to get started with this, which is a huge blessing. But you guys have to also remember to be patient. This is nothing is a quick get rich quick scheme, right? Like nothing that's good money is gonna come really fast to you. So don't expect, even though you can blow up overnight and get thousands of dollars in sales, like I have witnessed myself, it's still a process. I still had to learn a lot before that actually happened. So be easy on yourself. You know, if you start posting and you don't see results, revisit it and say, okay, why am I not getting results? I want you to productive scroll. Look at other people that are selling digital products. Okay, how are they so successful at selling the digital products? Look and see what they are doing. How are they presenting themselves on social media? You can do this with any niche and nothing is oversaturated. I promise you there's always something that you can do different than everybody else is doing because nobody can actually be you and who you are uniquely as a person. So share your life experiences, share the struggles that you've had, share what your digital product is solving through your content. I promise if you utilize all the skills and strategies that I share on my YouTube channel, you can literally change your life financially because I see brand new beginners doing this, starting from scratch and being successful. And if they can do it, you definitely can too. If there's anything that I didn't answer in this video, or if you have a question about anything, please comment down below. I try to respond to all of my comments and to be the best support system for you guys. If you haven't already, make sure you're following me on Instagram as well at BaddieInBiz, BaddieInBiz for more business inspiration and updates. Wishing you guys all the best with your digital product journeys, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye, everyone.